G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip here. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button. Okay guys, today we're making some aloe vera gel, which as you guys know, everyone's trying to DIY sanitize it. There's no aloe vera gel to make it, so you're pretty much stuck. But don't worry, Donny's here to help you. So I've gone to the garden, I've picked up some aloe vera leaves. I'm not sure that's what you're supposed to call them, but that's what I reckon they are. They're just leaves, alright? Now, don't forget, never wash again. Okay, so what you want to do to get the aloe vera gel, first you want to cut it. Now, you don't really want to go towards yourself, so you don't do that. Alright, and just cut that up the centre there like so. But once you've got that all out, like that, you just want to get all this stuff out. This is all the gel, so you can see it coming off there nicely. I'll just bring it a bit closer. See that? So you just want to get that out. Now, it's quite difficult. But what you might want to do is just, I've got a spoon here just to see if that'll do a better job, and that'll just get all that, see that little gel there, get that out. So you've got that gel there, look at that. Alright, so you get all that out. Okay, so that half's done, so you just put that in the bin. Alright, then you get your second one, and you just cut him towards yourself, but just be very careful if you cut him towards yourself. I mean, you should be right, just don't slip. Okay, and there we go. And once again, it's just all in there. You just want to get that sort of jelly stuff there. You get that out. Oh, get that out there. And we'll just do this last little bit here, make it nice and quick for you guys. Oh, look at all that, that's fresh. That's all that lovely gel. Now that's going to be really good in your hand sanitizer. That'll just moisturise your hands and that'll just be lovely. Alright, so once you've got out there like so, there we go, and that's it there. And that's your gel. Alright, now it's a little bit gunky, so what you want to do is you want to pick it up and put that into your bowl here. Oh, we'll just bring that over. Pick that up and you just bring that into your bowl and just whisk that all up, and then that'll just break it all down. So that's how to make your aloe vera gel for your hand sanitizer, guys. Just when you're making hand sanitizer, a good hot tip is make sure you're doing the hospital grade stuff. Don't try and make some dodgy stuff because it's not going to work. But at the end of the day, soap is going to be a lot better than anything. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one.